SAP S4HANA Asset Under Construction, AUC Flow. Overview. Concept overview. Internal order, CO. Temporary cost collector used to track all project-related expenses until the asset is ready. Helps control project budgets and spending. AUC, FIA. Temporary balance sheet asset where construction costs are capitalized during the project. No depreciation applies because the asset isn't yet in use. Final asset. Created once the project is complete. The total AUC cost is transferred here and depreciation starts once the asset becomes operational. Step-by-step demonstration. 7 steps. 1. Create AUC Asset Master, AS01. Set up an AUC under construction in progress. No financial posting yet. 2. Create internal order, K001. Define a settlement rule, linking the order to the AUC. Allocate 100% of costs to that AUC. 3. Record project expenses. Post invoices using ME21N, MIRO, FB60, FB50, and assign them to the internal order. Example, $50,000. SAW. Settle internal order to AUC, KO88. Transfer all collected costs to the AUC. Debit AUC asset, $50,000. Credit internal order, $50,000. 5. Create final asset, AS01. Set up the operational asset, example, plant and machinery, and define depreciation areas. 6. Settle AUC to final asset, AIBU. Capitalize 100% of the AUC balance. Debit final asset, credit AUC asset. AUC balance equals 0. Run depreciation, AFAB. Execute depreciation on the newly capitalized asset based on its useful life.
Key insights and learning. Settlement types, line item each posting versus full settlement summary. Multiple receivers. AUC costs can be split across several final assets. Integration flow. FI records invoices. CO tracks costs. AA handles capitalization and depreciation. Parallel accounting. Different depreciation areas allow reporting under IFRS, US GAAP, etc.
The AUC process in SAP S4HANA connects finance, controlling, and asset accounting to manage long-term capital projects. It ensures expenses move seamlessly from internal order to AUC to final asset, leading to accurate capitalization and depreciation in real-time business scenarios.